morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll show you how to grow amaranthus. Here, this is the amaranthus seeds. But there are variety of amaranthus. This is in Kannada we call it as chilkarve. Okay, chilkarve. This is very good for health. See, the seeds will be like this. Okay, so what you basically need is a container. See, this is an oil container, number one. This is also oil container. What I have done is, see here, this is the oil container. I have taken the scissors and cut them. So you can grow it in this and also in this. Okay, so do not throw it. Not that you have to grow in this. What I am telling you is you can make use of such cans to grow anything. Even carrot, radish, beetroot, noolkol, anything, potatoes, onions, anything you can grow in this. Instead of throwing it, you can grow in it. But try to cut them fine, okay? It should be a fine cutting. Today I have not cut it well. Otherwise, usually the cutting will be fine. So if you are taking this container, you can certainly, start growing amaranthus in this. What you need is, see here, you need to make holes for drainage holes. Okay, excess water will be drained out. This is very much necessary. And here, see, I have cut it here. Are you able to see? And then here you should make a hole. I have still not made. You have to make a hole here, and you can make a hole here too. Because see, what you can do is, here you can put the soil and other things which I'll be showing you here, and if you have nail, you can nail it here. What I want to do is, I want to paint it well. You can just paint it. You can grow some flowering plants or anything. You can just keep them outside your house. This will this can be used as a good container. So these are all the ideas that I'm giving you now. Now let us see how to grow amaranthus. As I told you, you have to make a drainage hole, and then you need a container, and you need soil, red soil, okay? And then this is the manure, that is homemade compost, I can say. I have made the compost myself. You can refer my YouTube channel for compost by Indira Shah, okay? And this is the cocoa peat. Cocoa peat, what you do is, if you use coconut, take the husk, behind the coconut you will have that husk. You can remove that, you can dry it, then powder it. So you can use it as cocoa peat, okay? So you need to use two part of soil, and then one part of compost, and one part of cocoa peat. Now what you have to do is, you need a slab like this. Now cover the holes with the slabs. Here. Okay, cover the holes with the slabs. It should be covered because the excess water should be drained out. I'll be adding the soil. Okay. Now add the cocoa peat. Actually, you need to mix everything together. Okay, I'll be mixing it here only, but you can mix it in a bowl and then add it. And add handful of compost. Now I'll be adding some more soil. I'll be adding one more part of soil here. Okay. Now add some more compost just over it. And we need to fill up till here. So I'll add some more soil. I'll add some more soil. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Now try to make your own compost at home. You can use this also. with the cap. Make a hole here and keep it like this. Same way you can make it. Okay. Now take the seeds. Just sprinkle. See, it should be very closely sprinkled. It should be very close. It's not that you just put one or two here and there. No, it should be very closely sprinkled. Now what you do is just sprinkle water here. It doesn't need much water now in the beginning. That's it. Now what you do is take a plastic cover like this. Yeah, cover it. Okay. Now I'll just here I have tied it. I have sprinkled water. Now you can keep this in a semi shade, away from direct sunlight, rain, and if you have rodents or rats, okay, because they may come and spoil it. So keep them in a safe place. Within 3-4 days you can see it is sprouting. Okay, it will start sprouting. Once it starts sprouting and becomes little big, you can remove the sheet and again keep them under direct sunlight and sprinkling water, not just pouring like this. Take it in a hand and just sprinkle like this. Okay, and within I can say 20 days you can see a very good growth. Okay, I'll show you periodically how it grows. Okay, this is how amaranthus or whatever is grown. Thank you very much for watching my video in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like button and the bell button and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.